A quick little disclaimer, I am not trying to discourage anyone from becoming a nail tech. These are just things that I feel you should be aware of before starting your nail career, and some of the things that I wish I knew before starting mine. Now getting right into it, for my number one, definitely has to be that practice is crucial. I think a lot of us bypass this and don't really think too much into it because we can become complacent of our work. But I do think that it is really important that you get your basics, your shaping, your acrylic application down really well, and then you can move on to your nail art. But don't ever think that you are good enough. Always continue to practice no matter where you are in your nail career. This will get you really far, and I do think it has personally helped me grow throughout my nail career. For number two, it definitely has to be that you will not please everyone. Unfortunately, we are filled with miserable people in this world, and because we are nail techs and we deal with the public, we firsthand will realize this very, very quickly. No matter how hard we try, no matter what we do, there are just those clients that you will not be able to please. And it is definitely okay as it comes with the territory. However, there are different ways of dealing with this. And I think it's really important that we always stay professional and we always try to be nice no matter what situation gets thrown your way. I've definitely been in those situations where I just really want to curse somebody out because of the way they're talking to me. But because I care too much about my business and I care way too much about my reputation as a nail tech, I stay true to myself and I will continue to be nice and talk to them in a professional way to get them to understand my reasonings behind why I'm firing them or why it's no longer going to work out. And a lot of the time they are very, very understanding. I have had all my clients that I've fired be extremely understanding towards the end. And then I've had like one client, there was no getting through to her, but it's fine. Like I said, it comes with the territory. There's just ways of handling certain situations, and it is really important that you are aware of this. Number three definitely goes to back and hand pain is no joke. And I think a lot of the time, especially the younger nail techs like myself or anyone really young, we forget that not because we are young means we're safe from certain things. I definitely didn't have this in the back of my mind because I'm young and I feel like I'm good in that area. But we are in a consistent same position over and over and over again. And if you're not being aware of your body, if you're not taking care of it, it will take a toll on you. I have been working Monday through Saturday, 9 to 5. Clients are back to back. I literally would not get any breaks. And it shows. I wasn't being active. I wasn't taking care of myself as I should. And I have extreme pain in my back, in my hands, in my shoulders. So it really started in my shoulder area because I would lean this elbow on my table and kind of rest myself in that area. I don't think we realize that you need to stretch. Like, that's one of the things that I regret not thinking about when I was doing nails. You need to stretch in between clients. Get massages very, very often. I would recommend maybe at least once a month. Get a really good deep massage so it can loosen up all the tightness from the tension created from you just being hunched over in one position. Take vacations, man. That's one of the things, like, I think as a nail tech we don't really think about because we don't want our clients to not get their nails done. I'm terrible when it comes to this. If somebody wants me to do their nails, like, and I already planned to have that day off, I'm like, well, what's one client, you know? Like, it'll be fine. And so I do really regret not actually taking the time off that I needed. So make sure you are paying attention to your body. Get your massages, take your breaks, stretch. Be active, go to the gym, walk, drink water, as it will definitely help you in the long run. Number 4 definitely has to go to investing on good products. And I don't necessarily mean go spend thousands of dollars on products, but I do think that if you are starting out, that's fine. Get your basics. That's all you need. But once you start getting that momentum and building up your clientele, I do think it's extremely necessary to purchase a lot more stuff. And I say this because if you have a client that brings you a picture and wants a specific design and you don't have those products, more than likely they're not going to want to come back to you. So I do think that it is really important that you continue to purchase products. I know it can get really expensive, but you are investing that money. If you purchase a color acrylic that costs $20 for one jar, think about it. You're making that off of like half of a client. If you are pricing your stuff out correctly, you're going to make your money back extremely fast. This is one of the things that I had to learn throughout my years of being a nail tech. Yes, it's gonna hurt you a little bit to, chuck out $100 for crystals, but you're gonna make it back extremely fast. So especially if you are pushing it on clients, like if they have no idea what they want, always try to use those products that you purchased, and then you can get your money out of it. So always be aware that it is an investment. You're not just spending money to not make money. So highly recommend you guys invest in some good products. You will not regret it. For our number 5, it definitely has to go to staying on top of trends. I think this is really important, and I think it's really, really, really crucial in order for you to grow as a nail tech. I know sometimes this can get very overwhelming, especially if you are a beginner nail tech, but be patient with yourself. You will get there. But once you are a little bit more experienced and you have your shaping and your basics down really well, make sure you stay on top of trends. You want to be that nail tech in your city, in your town, that knows everything that is up to date. If you go on Instagram, trends are changing like that. Like they are going extremely fast. One day it can be flowers, the next day it'll be butterflies, and then the next day it'll be rainbows. So you want to make sure you are staying consistent and making sure you are staying on top of those trends so clients can be attracted to your work, and it will help you get more and more successful throughout the years. And I'm going to repeat my number 1 once again: practice, practice, practice. No matter how long you've been doing nails, I've been doing nails for about 4 years. I'm going to continue to practice even if I've been doing nails for 10 years. Extremely, extremely, extremely important to continue to grow. If you have not already joined my YouTube membership, make sure to do so. Thank you if you already have. It's only $4.99 a month. You are able to support my channel through that, and I definitely make it worth your money. I'm doing live demos on there, sneak peeks, behind the scenes. You guys are able to help me choose my thumbnails and upcoming videos. I actually did my first live on there and it was tons of fun. I really enjoyed my time with my members, so make sure you go join, support my channel. That being said, that basically concludes this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I will catch you guys next time.